Hello everyone, today I want to make a very quick presentation about the Omero figure. So for that I will select 4 images, and by clicking here I can open them with Omero figure. So Omero figure will automatically add them in a panel that is a A4 right now. I don't really like the A4, so I will make instead to crop around the panel itself. As you can see, it's making it nice and neat. This can be used to adjust all figure at the same time. So like for example, we can adjust a little bit the histogram, zoom in. So here, all the transformation are done on all images at the same time, but if I select only one, I can then decide to grab a little bit, zoom a little more, or we can change a little bit the plane if we have a multi-dimensional image, like it is in this case. But it's very good right now. We can add some label, like for example, the scale bar. We can decide to show the scale bar. So this is a 10 micrometer. It's reading the metadata of the image to know how to put it. We can also add some label and edit them. So let's add a white label on the top left. Yes, that will be called condition 1, for example. You can personalize that. It's also possible to add other kind of things, like I think it's if we add this, it will add the zoom factor that has been applied on this image. There is multiple way. I will recommend you to read these tips if you want to know a little better. It's also possible to add a figure legend, so like image acquired on the LSM 700 at the CCI. You have also the same. It's possible to use a markdown to format the figure to something that is better looking. Once you are done with that, you can export it as a PDF. That is not so bad, to be honest, but I will recommend it to, in fact, export it as a TIFF, or even the TIFF is a 300 dpi, so that is most of the time a default for publication. Once export is done, you can just download it, and it will be also present in the Omero. If you save it here, you can see that it's asking you to save this figure. We can save that. It's very good. And you will be able to recover that. So as you can see, now we have attachment. One is a PDF that has been generated, and the second one is the TIFF image, so they will be present here even if you forget to download them, or if you want to share it with one of your coworker. They will be present in all images that compose this Omero figure. It's of course possible to add an image. You just need to know the ID of it. So let's say, for example, it's a 792, and as you can see, it's adding the image on top of it.